There's nothing quite like a touch of glitter to make your eyes truly sparkle, and your whole day feel a little bit brighter. Whether you're getting ready for a party, a festival, or just want to add a dash of fun to your everyday look, glitter has a magical way of transforming the ordinary into something extraordinary. But let's be honest, glitter rarely stays where you want it. It has a mind of its own, and sometimes it feels like it's determined to travel everywhere except where you carefully placed it. One minute it's sitting pretty on your eyelids, catching the light just right, and the next it's wandered down your cheeks, onto your nose, and even found its way onto your teacup. It's like glitter is on its own little adventure. We've all spent ages perfecting our look, only for the glitter to go rogue at the last second. It can be so frustrating to see all your hard work disappear in a shower of sparkles. But what if you could keep every single speck of glitter exactly where you want it? Imagine a world where your sparkles stay put, no matter what the day throws at you. No more runaway sparkles. No more accidental fairy fight faces, and definitely no more glitter trails leading from your eyes to your chin. Today, I'll show you a foolproof way to get dazzling, show-stopping eyes, without the mess or the stress. You'll be able to enjoy all the fun of glitter, with none of the chaos. All you need are the right tools, a little bit of patience, and a bit of know-how. With just a few simple steps, you'll be ready to shine. Ready for a grand day out with glitter that actually stays put? Let's make sure your sparkles last from morning till night. So let's gather our bits and bobs, your favorite glitter, brushes, and a few handy tools, and begin this sparkly adventure together. By the end, you'll be a true master of the sparkle, ready to take on the world with confidence and a little extra shine. Why does glitter always wander off? No matter how carefully you pat it on, those sparkly flecks seem determined to escape, drifting away like tiny, rebellious stars. It's a universal makeup mystery. One minute your eyes are dazzling. The next, your cheeks, nose, and even your shirt are covered in stray sparkles. It's simple. Glitter is light, flat, and has nothing to grip onto. Each piece is like a miniature disc, ready to catch the slightest breeze or brush of a hand. Without something to anchor it, glitter will always find a way to slip and slide away. Patting it onto bare skin is like sticking a feather to a wall in a breeze. No matter how much you press, it just won't stay put. The smooth surface of your skin gives glitter nothing to hold on to, so it tumbles off at the first chance. Without a sticky base, it slips and slides away. You might start with a perfect look, but by lunchtime your sparkles have vanished or migrated somewhere unexpected. The solution? A glitter primer. This little tube is the unsung hero of any glitter look, and it's about to become your new best friend. Think of it as special glue for your eyelids, tacky enough to hold every sparkle in place, but gentle enough for delicate skin. It creates a slightly sticky surface, giving glitter something to cling to all day long. With primer, your glitter stays put from morning tea to bedtime. No more midday touch-ups or worrying about sparkles drifting down your cheeks. No magic, just smart preparation. A little planning goes a long way, and your makeup routine becomes effortless and mess-free. Give your glitter a proper foundation and it won't stray. The primer acts like a safety net, catching every sparkle and keeping your look flawless. This one step turns a glitter disaster into a stunning, long-lasting look. Suddenly, your sparkles are exactly where you want them. No more mess, no more frustration, no more stray sparkles, just perfectly placed, dazzling eyes. Your makeup looks polished, professional, and ready for anything. It's a cracking solution, and as easy as pie. Anyone can do it, and the results are always impressive. So next time you reach for the glitter, remember, a little primer is all it takes for a look that truly shines. Let's get ready to prime. Time for action. Let's dive into the world of glitter application. Start with clean, dry eyelids. No leftover makeup or oils. This ensures that the primer and glitter adhere properly. Dab a tiny bit of glitter primer onto your finger and gently pat it where you want the sparkle. The primer acts as a sticky base for the glitter. Let it get tacky for a moment. This tackiness is crucial for holding the glitter in place. Now choose cosmetic-grade glitter. Never craft glitter, which can scratch and irritate your skin. Cosmetic glitter is designed to be safe for use on your face. Using your finger or a flat brush, press the glitter onto the primer. This pressing motion helps the glitter stick better. Don't sweep, just pat and press for maximum hold. Sweeping can cause the glitter to fall off and create a mess. Build up the sparkle in thin layers until you're happy. Layering ensures an even and vibrant glitter application. For a flawless finish, use a clean, fluffy brush to gently dust away any loose bits. This step helps in achieving a neat look. That's it. Glitter that stays put and shines all day. You're ready to dazzle. It's as easy as adding sprinkles to a cake. Just a bit of practice and you'll master it. With this method, your look is prize-worthy. You'll be the star of any event. No more mess, just pure dazzle. Clean application means less cleanup. Ready for the next step? Let's continue this beauty journey together. Let's cover the do's and don'ts for perfect glitter eyes. Do use only cosmetic-grade glitter, safe for your skin and eyes. Don't ever use craft glitter. It's for paper, not faces. Always pat glitter on, never sweep or you'll get fallout. Work in thin layers, building up the sparkles slowly. Too much at once, and the top layer won't stick. Patience pays off with a professional, long-lasting finish. And never sleep in your glitter makeup. Remove it before bed to avoid irritation. A good cleanup routine keeps your eyes happy and healthy. Take care, and you'll enjoy glitter again and again. That's the secret to a grand, glittery look. When it's time to remove your glitter, don't panic. Use sticky tape wrapped around your finger to pick up stray sparkles on your cheeks. For your eyelids, reach for an oil-based makeup remover. Soak a cotton pad, hold it over your closed eye for 30 seconds, then gently wipe away. Most glitter will come off easily, no harsh scrubbing needed. Use a fresh pad for each wipe to avoid spreading glitter. Finish with a quick rinse, and your face will feel fresh as a daisy. Now you're ready for your next sparkly adventure. Makeup is about fun and creativity, so experiment and shine. Life's too short for boring eyelids, isn't it?